This will be a water test between the iPhone XS Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So you can see I have both of them here. Here's the XS Plus, so you can see. Silver colorway, although it looks white. And this one is the Note 9. So you can see Samsung Galaxy Note 9 right there. So this will just be a simple test. Testing out the IP68 rating real quick. Here's my bucket right here. And let's do it. iPhone 10. Unlock the screen and let's just place it in the bucket like so. Do the same thing with the Note 9. There you go. All right, so I'm just gonna take my hose and let's see, I wanna make sure that this is in, let's see, the jet setting so you can see. And let's just do this right now. And let's go. Woo-hoo! There you go. See, so I can see a screen on right there. I don't know if that's the Note or the iPhone. Can't really tell. I think it's the Note. All right, should I go all the way to the brim of the bucket, or now why not take it all the way? A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's the Galaxy that's on. Almost there. Woo! Ah. All right. What are we dealing with? So, yes, that was the Note 9 that was on. Well, they're both on. So the white screen looks like that's the Google screen to set up Google Assistant on the Note 9. And search function on the iPhone XS Max. All right, so let's just go ahead and check this out right now. Let's see. Pull out the Note. There you go. Couldn't connect, check your network connection. Wi-Fi should reconnect. And pull out the XS Max so you can see. All right, so let's check it out real quick. Screen seems to be working fine on the Note. S Pen should be, pull out the S Pen. Okay, that works, so that's a good sign. Go home, moving the screen around, app drawer, and let's see, I think that was the Wi-Fi. So let's check that out real quick. Authentication error occurred. That should reconnect, I hope. Check out the iPhone, and so you can see the Wi-Fi symbol right there, so that works. So let's see. Let's go to YouTube. Check the speaker right now. Go with that one. Put it next to the mic. This is the background music I play on some of my videos. Speaker sounds a little dim. Let me see if I can try to shake it right now. Shake some of the water off and see if it gets a little louder. Play. Or wait a second. Try that again. That sounds kind of tinny. All right, so not the best performing speaker right now. Let it dry, it should go back to normal, but yeah, not very loud on the iPhone XS Max. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the Note 9. Let's see, let's go to YouTube. So S Pen still works. Connect to the internet. Okay, I thought this was gonna just connect back on its own. So let's turn this off and turn this back on again. We are connected, very nice. Let's see, go back to YouTube, search, and that's what I'm looking for. And let's play this right now. And same thing with the Galaxy Note 9. Speaker sounds very hollow. So I'm gonna do the same thing and just kind of try to shake all the water out. Maybe that will help a little bit. All right, let's try this again. No thanks on that. And let's play. Whoa. So as you can see, that's a massive difference from me just shaking the phone. How much louder the speaker is on the Note 9. Very nice performance by the Galaxy. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop that. And I'm gonna try again on the iPhone. Give it a second chance. Here, I'm gonna shake it. Get the speaker sound back to stock or close to it. Come on, iPhone. $2,000 phone. Come on, you gotta do better than that. Let's play. Aha! So as you can see, it is loud again. Very nice. And real quick, let's go ahead and test out the camera on both. Go ahead and take a quick shot of this on the Galaxy. And let's take a look at the picture. And I'm looking at it right now. Looks nice and sharp. I'm very confident the camera still works, and that's what it looks like. Do the same thing on the XS Max. And then we'll just do it like this. And let's take a look at the shot. Nice and sharp. Cool. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this quick little water test between these two phones. It's great that these phones now come with IP68 water resistance. So if you're the kind of person, you like the water, you're out in the pool, you spend a lot of time in the ocean, stuff like that, you can take your phone with you and not have to be worried about it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.